Alright, today I did install some blackout key for my taillights. Alright, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need. Those are, you have to use like this thing here or this thing here. I'm gonna use this gun to heat it up a little bit. It should disappear, but install it. That's what I used. Just a Windows cleaner, and show you here. It's easy to install, like this one here. It peels off pretty easy. All you gotta do, spray this around like this, and install it like this here. Boom. Voila. It's done. It's very easy. And if you don't like it, you can remove it. For me, I installed it once before. I didn't like it, and I said, well, I'll put it back together again. Put it back again. Let's see, where is it? Move this off. It moves around for now till it dries up. But it's gonna clean up a little bit here, like this, and it's still movable. Well, time to dry up, then it's gonna be glued good for good. So yeah, so that's that one already dry up. That one is not, and those two. And here's the results. Comment below if you like it or not. Thanks for watching.